Okay, here we are at Magnolia Tree 516, which isn't really a double nuke. We just changed boxes. And a bunch of bees was in the box that we changed it from, or two. Most of them went down in there. They have 4 frames, and we're going to stick their box right out front here so they can walk back in if they want to. And one little beetle. People, I start my day off with about 5 or 6 hive tools. This is a J-hook, and I like J-hooks. Some people says J-hook will cut you. Any of them will cut you. But that's my J-hook. I like my J-hook. I can get in there. Get you close, Sam. Yeah. This one here has nectar, a little honey. This one here has nectar and a little honey. Okay, I don't see a queen. Sit it back down there, right there. This one here has some honey. It has eggs. Okay, this is the frame that I put in there. And they should be making queen cells in about 3-4 days. They have to let the egg hatch first, I think. That's that one. It has some capped brood, and it has some larvae, and it has some eggs. And some pollen. Stick it back there in the middle. This one here is just one that we built. They haven't started on yet. This one here has some honey. It has a queen cup right here. Has a queen cup right here. Okay, I'm gonna tear it down even though they don't have a queen. They have no eggs on this frame. So even if they made a queen, I don't think it would have been any good. And that's just my opinion. That's just what it is. They will let me know. And that's this one. They have some food still, so, well, we can get them some more food. They have a frame in there they need to bail out. We'll put that down there. Move your head. Here's their water dish. We'll give them some food. A little bit. We'll get the water. We'll get them some water here. They need the water on the hot days, people. Just make sure they always have water somewhere close to them. We got water scattered out in the yard. Mosquitoes like it. But it gives bees something to drink. Here we go, girls. Okay, they're okay now. Find out where that spider went. Put it all back together. They have pollen patty, they have peppermint candy, and they have food, and they have water. So we'll come back in about a week and see what they're doing. And that's about it for today. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. I'm tired. Probably about not late yet. I'm not going to quit. I'm just quitting with the bees right now. I got other things I got to do. Y'all have a marvelous day. Give us a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe. I keep forgetting that. And subscribe. Y'all have a marvelous day. Bye.